When you're bringing a new puppy into your house, it's important to remember that it can be overwhelming for you, but also for the puppy itself. So they need to settle in just as much as you do. Training is really important. Puppy preschool and your local vet can really help you with that and with advising on how to go about moulding them into the perfect dog.
Preparing for a pet is no walk in the park. Just ask our organising expert, Anita Birges, who has a new furry member in the family.
This is Moana.
Hello.
And they called it puppy love.
There is so much to think about. So how do you get started? How do we organise the house in preparation for this little one?
Okay, so it's all about zoning the areas, from bedding to grooming to cleaning to actual food. I've realised really the importance of that.
The first 24 hours is crucial to setting yourself up for success, including puppy pickup. Now, you've got the car prepared here. What did you actually need on the day for pickup?
Now, what I've got here is a soft crate. You need to have that to have, your puppy in for the whole drive home. I've actually got a water bottle that converts to a bowl as well. So again, I love to have things that, two functions in one.
Yeah.
I've got some wet wipes to wipe her down if anything gets dirty, a little container full of food. Most importantly, though, is that you need to have the proper car restraints. Now, you'll also need things like the pee pads, the poo bags, all that fun stuff.
Inside the house, Anita has zoned a puppy play and sleep area. Sleeping Beauty looks so comfy in here. So tell me about this bed.
Okay, so this is the Harmony orthopedic bed from Pet Barn. Now, I chose this because it's got a removable cover. So for any accidents that do happen on here, I can take it off, throw it in the wash, easy as pie. I want you to organise the toys into something that the puppy can see through it, so they know their toys are there. It needs to be at a height that the dog or puppy can actually reach in and grab a toy.
And Anita has a clever trick to stop your pup from chewing on shoes or carpets.
Use some Vaseline. Now, it's non-toxic and they absolutely hate it. So all I did, I got a toothbrush, got some Vaseline, combed it onto the fringes of the carpet, and she's not chewing it anymore.
So we have to be really organised when we have a dog, and having these containers is a must, right?
Okay, first of all, it's about the food storage, but I also included the scoop from Pet Barn, and of course I labelled it Moana's food.
And this is great because you can buy in bulk and save a bit of money.
Another important zone to get organised are things for grooming, cleaning and accessories. So I wanted to sort the items into light categories and, of course, label them.
So when it comes to Moana having a restful night's sleep, very important for you guys as well, what do you recommend?
So the most important thing is we need to have a really confined nook kind of space. It makes puppies feel more secure. So I've been able to double up on that soft crate. So we have the comforter, we put her in first, then we put Moana in. Say goodnight, and everyone goes to sleep.
Good night, Moana.
It's called a dog's life and wonder.